Did you know that a simple bowl of beans could protect your heart, keep your skin glowing, and even reduce your risk of chronic diseases? And here's the kicker, scientists call beans a miracle of nutrients. Curious to know why? Stick around because today on Kitchen Hospital, we're diving deep into the world of beans and uncovering why this humble food should be on your plate every day. What are beans and their types? So, what exactly are beans? Beans are seeds from the legume family, known for being nutrient-dense and incredibly versatile. From soups to salads, curries, and even desserts, beans are everywhere. Here are some popular types of beans and their standout benefits. Black beans, packed with antioxidants and fiber, they're fantastic for heart health and digestion. Kidney beans, known for their iron content, they boost energy levels and improve blood circulation. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans rich in protein and folate, ideal for brain health and skin care. Lentils, a plant-based protein powerhouse that supports weight loss and muscle repair. Soybeans, a complete protein loaded with healthy fats and excellent for reducing cholesterol. Pinto beans, high in nutrients like manganese, they help fight inflammation. What makes beans stand out? They're affordable, accessible, and packed with both macronutrients, like protein, and micronutrients, like magnesium and potassium. Beans' health benefits. Now, let's explore why beans are so incredible for your health. 1. Heart health. Beans are low in saturated fats and high in soluble fiber, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind. By incorporating beans like black beans or kidney beans into your diet, you can significantly lower your risk of heart disease. 2. Skin health. Want radiant skin? The zinc, vitamins, and antioxidants in beans help combat oxidative stress, which keeps your skin looking youthful and glowing. 3. Weight management. Struggling with cravings? Beans are your best friend. Their high fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer, helping to regulate your appetite and support healthy weight loss. 4. Brain health. Beans like lentils and chickpeas are rich in folate, which is essential for cognitive health. They also contain magnesium, known for its calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. Beans contain powerful phytonutrients that combat inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic conditions like arthritis and diabetes. Why beans are the miracle of nutrients? Nutritionists and scientists agree, they're a rare combination of affordability, versatility, and nutrient density. Plus, they're plant-based, making them a sustainable choice for both health and the environment. Including beans in your diet can also help prevent diseases like diabetes. Their low glycemic index keeps blood sugar levels stable. Cancer, the antioxidants in beans protect cells from damage. Obesity. High fiber content supports healthy weight management. How to incorporate beans into your daily meals. Now that we've got you excited about beans, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily meals. Breakfast, start your day with a chickpea and avocado toast or a bean-based smoothie bowl. Lunch, enjoy a hearty lentil soup or a black bean salad with fresh greens and quinoa. Dinner, try a kidney bean curry or a spicy 3-bean chili, comfort food at its best. Snacks, roasted chickpeas or soybeans make a crunchy, nutritious snack. Dessert, yes, black bean brownies or chickpea blondies are both delicious and guilt-free. Pro tip, pair beans with whole grains like rice or quinoa to get a complete protein. Must-know information about beans. Before we wrap up, here's what you need to know about beans. How to identify the best beans. Fresh, dried beans are your best option. Avoid ones with discoloration or cracks. If you're using canned beans, opt for low-sodium varieties and rinse them thoroughly. Common myths about beans. Think beans cause bloating? The truth is, soaking beans overnight and cooking them properly reduces gas-causing compounds. Storage tips. Store dried beans in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Cooked beans can be refrigerated for up to 5 days or frozen for longer storage. Imagine a warm bowl of lentil soup on a chilly evening or a refreshing chickpea salad on a sunny afternoon. Beans aren't just healthy, they're delicious and comforting, too. Beans are the ultimate health food, packed with nutrients, easy to cook, and incredibly versatile. Are you ready to embrace the magic of beans? Let me know your favorite bean recipes in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for updates. Share this video with friends and family to spread the bean love, because great health is a gift worth sharing.